Hello everyone, welcome to Pixton. This is a technology tool that you and your fellow users can use in order to create a comic strip sort of short story. And in these short stories, you can get very creative in how you create your environments, your characters that you can see right here. You can also center the camera on either your environment or on your character once you have them in. And if you want your characters to have dialogue, you can also go to the words area and type in whatever you please. In order to create more panels, you just have to go to add panel here, click it, and it's going to add more panels for you to choose from. Now say you want a background that has a forest in it. Well, we have one right here. There you go. And another way to narrow down your search would be to manually type in what you want. So, forest, and it'll bring up a variety of options for you, the user, to choose from. Now that we've gone over Pixton and what this tool is capable of, let's get into how we can start to utilize it to its full effect. So for the assignment I gave you, we would be looking at how we, as a collective group of people, can reduce carbon emission. Now, carbon emission is something that has been an issue in the recent couple of decades, and I am challenging my fellow students to be able to provide solutions as to how best we can reduce that. So, let's say one were to choose a background in where they were at the beach. Well, luckily we already have one pulled up, but let's go ahead and add another one. So, again, we click Add Panel to add a similar type of panel. And let's say we want a character. Now, you can customize your character however you wish by simply clicking Custom. But for this example, let's just go into my character. So my character is right here. Okay. And you can see here you can use these options to find more suitable outfits for your character to wear if you so please. But for the purpose of this, we're going to keep it exactly as is. Now, when it comes to this area right here, focus, you can really see different options for your character to take. You can have one that's automatically set to the character walking or directly in front of the person, as you can see here. Now, let's say I want my character to say something like this. He's questioning himself. How can I help to reduce carbon emission? Okay, and you click check, and you can see here it's going to pop up right there. Now see here, you may want your character to have another form of expression, so we can go to faces, you can type in an expression you want, or you can see here I have it highlighted, just automatically switch to a happy face, and you can also have your character take actions, as I stated earlier. For this one, let's have my character like this. Okay? So, after you've done your research and looked into how people have tackled carbon emission before, you can start to provide your own solutions in, say, the next slide. So let's go ahead and add another panel. And let's take that same character and focus him in this angle. You can click Add Words. So for my example, I stated we can use bikes to get to our destinations instead of cars, because cars help to, or should I say rather don't help, they are the ones that actually contribute to the rise in carbon emission. And the entirety of this challenge is to find solutions around that. So, this is how you can format your projects, and you can continue adding panels as much as you want, as long as it meets the assignment guidelines I created. And if you encounter any issues, you can always go back and click on here. You can duplicate your panel, copy your panel, put another blank panel in between, or if you feel you want to start over on a particular part of your story, you can remove the panel. So for the purpose of this video, let's just say that this is the conclusion of your assignment. Now, you're ready to title your video if you haven't done so already, which you can do so here. For the purpose of this video, we're going to keep it as this. And then you're going to come over to the right hand side on the top and hit done. Here's your story. When you're ready to share it, click share. And you see this link right here? You can actually copy this link right here. It's going to copy your clipboard. Once you do have that link, when you're ready to post, all you have to do is hit Control V on your keyboard. Your link will show up, and when you hit enter, it will give you your project. Now let's say you didn't want to do that, so let's go back to this. You take this link, and wherever your assignment needs to go, you can just copy it and then submit it for grading, and then that's it.